Hi, this is Mohammed. I'm the Chief Operations Officer with Edsoft Technologies. We are a virtual classroom provider and learning management system provider. What we intend to do, or what we do, is we bridge the barriers, the geographical barriers, wherein the teachers and students can get connected through our platform virtually. So it's all about learning from the global masters without a need to be in a physical space. Our virtual classroom is completely browser based. Okay, there are no downloads, no plugins. The teacher can sit at any location and deliver live lectures to the audience globally. All it takes for the students is click on the link and enter into the live session and learn from the global masters, the best of the tutors. Over a period of time, there has been a paradigm shift in the way the teaching has been delivered, and we are contributing to that by making teaching an easy, flexible, and at the same time ensuring that everyone gets access to easy education, even though virtually. You can always visit us on our website www.edsoft.us. Thank you.